Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, where making money has never been easier. In this video, we will explore the various ways you can leverage AI to generate income. Firstly, let's talk about AI-powered trading. With advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can analyze market trends and make accurate predictions. By investing in AI-powered trading platforms, you can automate your trades and increase your chances of making profitable investments. Next, we have AI-driven content creation. From writing articles to generating social media posts, AI can help you create high-quality content in a fraction of the time. By utilizing AI tools, you can streamline your content creation process and focus on other aspects of your business. Another lucrative opportunity is AI-based customer service. By implementing chatbots and virtual assistants, businesses can provide round-the-clock support to their customers. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also reduces operational costs. Furthermore, AI can revolutionize the healthcare industry. From diagnosing diseases to developing personalized treatment plans, AI can assist healthcare professionals in providing better care. By investing in AI healthcare startups, you can contribute to the advancement of medical technology while earning a handsome return on your investment. Lastly, we have AI-powered advertising. By leveraging AI algorithms, businesses can target their ads to the right audience, increasing the chances of conversion. As an AI advertising specialist, you can help businesses optimize their ad campaigns and generate higher revenue. In conclusion, the opportunities to make money on AI are vast and ever-growing. Whether it's through AI-powered trading, content creation, customer service, healthcare, or advertising, AI can be your ticket to financial success. So, embrace the power of AI and start making money today.